Ahoy! I'm Captain Rob Lee, and welcome to Pirate Lifestyle TV. Arr, arr. Welcome to another Quickie. I'm sure you know of the Scorpion and Frog Fable. Basically, the scorpion wants a ride across the river. The frog doesn't want to do it because he is afraid the scorpion will kill him. The scorpion promises he won't because he really needs to get to the other side. In the middle of the river, the scorpion stings the frog and they both die. The point of the fable, as the scorpion says, it's in my nature. What do I mean? My birthday is tomorrow, Thursday, and I have been thinking about sharing with you a bit more of why I am making and sharing videos. In a way, I have to make these videos. I don't have a choice because, like the scorpion, it's in my nature. Let me explain. When we moved aboard our sailboat, my goal at that time was to disappear, to drop under the radar, to fall off the grid, to become invisible. So here I am now. I am making videos, sharing what we are doing to live our lives in this complicated world. Why? It's in my nature. As independent and self-sufficient as I am, over the years, many people have helped me. I know I can never pay back all the good deeds I have received, so I pay it forward. One small thing I can do to pay it forward is to make these videos and share them with you. And you pay it forward by sharing these videos with your friends, and on it goes. What do I hope you learn from this video? The message I hope you remember is you have to be yourself and you must do what is in your nature. I hope you enjoyed this Pirate Lifestyle TV Quickie. Keep the great ideas coming, and please share these videos with your friends. With ye help, me goal be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle.